So we got a quick tip from Yoda.
The Force and its wisdom are all around us. Ask your will a yes or no question. Sense the Force in my left hand. Press it and answer you, I will.
Okay, is this going to be a good video? Come on.
You will know when you are calm and at peace.
Okay, I'm calm and at peace because I just drank a couple beers. Is this going to be a good video?
Squeeze too hard, you have.
Alright, well, this video is all about this cart. I think I paid like $100 some, but I just wanted to let you know that this is money well spent. I have everything that I need in this cart for the most part. I have all my clamps. I got my screws, my tools, my gloves, hammer, magnetic tray, pencils, everything, brad nails, all my knives and stuff in here, greeblies that I'm saving, air tool oil. And then I have all the clamps hanging off the side. Extra tools down the bottom for when I need them. And all the different nails that I need. I also have a garbage can there that I just throw the garbage in, whatever, so it doesn't collect on the floor. So I pretty much just cruise this baby along with Sam working over here. Cruising along. I have it sitting there. I'm up on my little step ladder here, which is another good thing. How many times have you been sitting on a milk crate and you're like almost falling off the thing? Well, this has a nice lock on it. It gives you that extra oomph. But anyway, this isn't about. It's about this. So. Yeah, you could roll this around and I could still reach all my tools while I'm standing up on the thingy, the thingamabob.
Clearing your mind, are you? Or another question I wish you to ask.
The step stool. And blah. So anyway, this is just a quick tip. I'll put the price and everything down below. Yeah, let me know what you do. I mean, so many times I was going back and forth for things. Like, man, I gotta go get the nails. Oh man, I gotta go get the tools. So I have this guy. Another thing I do is I have a shelf. This is the shelf that pretty much has all the stuff that I'm going to be using here by my table saw. So yeah, this doesn't belong here. This belongs over here. But I have everything here that I need. Extra cables up there out of the way. Staple gun out of the way. Yeah. Okay, so this turned into a different type of video, but I just wanted to give you some quick tips. Later, dudes. Alright, guys. See you next time. Make sure you hit that bell so you can get the next video. See ya.